Tim Albright with AV Nation at InfoComm 2019 in the TierPM booth with Mark Winter. Thanks for having us, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for coming by. We appreciate it.
Absolutely, absolutely. TierPM has become known and is known as a staffing company for the AV industry. So real briefly, let's talk about the staffing part, because you guys have got a couple other things that you've been developing.
Sure, yes.
But really, how do you work with the integrators and the manufacturers to make sure that they have the staff that they need to get a project done?
Right, those are great questions. We certainly make part of what we do becoming knowledgeable about the AV industry, and that means everything that an integrator or a manufacturer does as a company, and also the kind of people they're looking for, not just the job description, but understanding what that job is, how it interacts with the people they work with, the manager, the team, and how important they are, aside from everything that's on that resume that's a required skill. So we do that first and foremost, and we also dive into our database of close to 50,000 AV professionals.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we've really grown that list, so we have a great list of people that are in the industry, and we go and we look for the right fit. And we only present to our clients candidates that have the qualities they're looking for and that pass an interview with us, which goes to speak to how they are in an interview process. You know, they showed up on time, they actually are speaking eloquently, and that they know what they're talking about. And we do that a couple of ways. We do a self-assessment, a skills assessment, where we talk about the different particular skills within the job and ask them, you know, if they would rate themselves, where would they fall within a scale of 1 to 5. It's subjective, but we also ask questions that we can get them and maybe trick them. For example, like a restaurant programmer, we ask them to rate themselves in restaurant programming. And then the next question is, rate yourself in simple plus. So if they have 2 different scores, we know something's up, right? So that's something that we try to do, find some things that work in that regard. And we're also excited to let everyone know we're working on some new technical evaluations that we're going to be rolling out real soon in the next month or 2. That's going to dive in even deeper, because, you know, anyone can talk the talk, but it's a different thing to walk and do the job. And I know that's something very important to our customers.
Okay. Walk me through 2 different processes here, right?
Sure.
Let's walk me through the customer process. Like, I'm your customer. I'm an integrator looking for talent. How do I go about connecting with you guys and setting myself up to be able to get those recommendations?
Yeah, I mean, certainly the first thing is to check out our website at tierpm.com. But also you can connect with me on LinkedIn, or, you know, even here at InfoComm. This is our 5th year being here at the show, our 2nd year in a row having a booth. We do things to be active in the AV community. We sponsored the Women's Breakfast again this year for the 3rd year in a row. We're going to sponsor the inaugural diversity reception on Friday, so we're excited about that. But just come to me, talk to me about what you're looking for. I'm not a scary person to talk to. I'm very easy to talk with. I'm not going to pin you down for your business. I'm going to help you figure out what's best for you. If you already have resources in place that you can effectively find this person on your own, I'm not going to waste your time trying to sell you my services. I want to work with people that have a need and don't have the time or the resources to uncover the staff that we have in our database, or the people that we've made connections with. So I'll talk with them about the process, how we'll work together, how we will present to them candidates to talk to. Essentially, we get a job description. We go through some of the key things about the job description: salary, years of experience, certifications. If it's a technician, they need their CTS or perhaps CTSI. Yeah, those things. We talk about all of that, gather all that information, then we hit the road to really find the right person for them. And we generally submit 3 candidates and have them review them and look for feedback. And then the next step would be for that to go to an interview. We recommend first a phone interview, just because, you know, bringing someone in, I think you want to have a conversation first, because you can find out a lot on the phone that doesn't seem to be there. It may not be a fit, right? They may not say the right things. They may not have the right skill set as you dig deeper. So we ask that they do that first. If that's successful, then we bring them in to their offices for an in-person interview. And then hopefully after that, we get an offer. And once that's done, we can help navigate that between both parties, the candidate and the actual employer. Or we just let them work themselves. We are very easy, and we kind of navigate the process in a way to make it comfortable for everyone. So if you'd rather do it together, just keep me in the loop. Or if you want me to be an intermediary, I'm glad to do that as well.
All right, so let's take it from the other side. I'm an AV technician. I'm somebody who has a skill set. I'm looking for work, and so how do I connect with you on that, and what's that process?
Yeah, same thing, tierpm.com, or again, look for me on LinkedIn. See me today or tomorrow at the booth. I've had a number of people come by, candidates I've helped in the past, people I've helped place, which is very rewarding, right?
Yeah.
It's exciting to see them. But yeah, I mean, simply have a conversation with me. And I can even give you some real advice about what's out there, what I'm seeing as far as what your position is, the kinds of jobs, the salaries. I think it's important for candidates to understand where they are in the marketplace and what that means as far as their skills, and understanding how they communicate with the actual end client to do the best they can to get that job.
Awesome. You and I have both watched this industry kind of evolve and get more and more IT. You guys also offer some IT services and IT staff as well.
Exactly, yeah. We do some IT staffing and some services surrounded around the IT industry. And we're excited to announce some new things today for the coming months. We're working on some projects that's going to help the AV industry understand their data a little bit better. And if they aren't even looking at their data, help them figure out how they can pull all their data together and put it in a place where you can visualize it and see it and understand what you're doing as a company, what you may be doing right, what you may need to improve, and have it in one place. So we're excited. It's coming soon. It's a tool to help you see in one place an actual picture of what you're doing as a company, and then again be able to take that and move forward with it and make the right decisions. So I'm talking about things like your inventory, I'm talking about things like labor costs, return on investment, sales dashboards, looking at your salespeople versus what they're making and then what they are producing and how effective that is, who they're selling to, what industry, so you can make decisions. We sell more to healthcare. Let's switch our focus. Our focus in advertising is more on manufacturing. We got to move to healthcare. This is where our sales are. We're missing the boat.
Yeah.
So things like that, as you're a growing company, you don't necessarily have an eye on, and we're going to figure out a solution that's going to help them do that and do that easily.
So you're really becoming more of a partner by helping them kind of really analyze and see all the data that they have at their disposal.
Exactly, and selfishly enough, we're going to use it for ourselves too. We're going to take that technology and make sure we're doing the right stuff as well. But yeah, that's just it. I mean, we're a workforce solution for the AV industry, not just simply staffing, but it's other things. It's services, it's application development, it's that data visualization as well. And we're really excited about that because it's something that's new and exciting, and it's really something that's pretty easy for people to see and understand and then to make some good decisions on.
All right, Mark, if somebody's here in Orlando and they're at InfoComm 2019, where do they find you?
We're at booth 2190.
Okay.
We'll be here today and tomorrow, and obviously I'll be at the reception for the inaugural diversity reception,
Okay.
so come by and see us there too.
All right, if they're not here, but they want to connect with you to find out more?
Yeah, tierpm.com, or look me up on LinkedIn as well. And my email is very simple. It's M for Mark, last name Winner, like winner of the race, at tierpm.com.
All right, very good, Mark Winner from TierPM. For us, for AV Nation, go by the website avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. You'll find more videos of the show floor for InfoComm 2019. All that and more at avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.